Hello guys and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. It's Monday and basically we've seen the price opened up with a gap over here. So basically from this left hand side on the daily time frame, we'll be anticipating probably a retest of this region at 114.73. Yeah, we just call it 115 region, 1.15 region. Then we might see continuation to the downside. For now, I'm paying close look at the DXY. The DXY has retested in major key levels. So what I'm anticipating going forward is price to continue bullish and come attend 114 one more time. If the DXY will continue bullish this week, then that means on the pound USD we're going to continue bearish. Listen, last week I anticipated an inverse head and shoulder pattern here right now. Clone, please. Yeah, good. We have 1, 2, and then I was anticipating 3 last week, and we just made a little one. So now we're looking at an inverse head and shoulder pattern. Let's look at this style right now. So we're looking at an inverse head and shoulder pattern, and then basically we might be anticipating a continuation to the downside. An anticipation to the downside, and targets, making targets. I'm seeing price probably come back to this lows of 1.06 for the week, and possibly 1.03. All right, and take note, we have a couple of news this week, lots of news this week. So let's see if those things would push the market to the downside, and we might anticipate a good trade setups to follow the trend. Otherwise, I might be very comfortable to go for buys, to know that the pound USD has resumed bullish sentiment if price breaks through 1.17, 1.17 basically, like I've anticipated in a while right now. So that would be it for now. I'll be looking for opportunities to sell the pound USD and also sell good. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Let's see how this plays out. Ciao. Hello guys and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. It's Wednesday and basically at the market open I was anticipating an inverse head and shoulder pattern, a continuation to the sell side. Yeah, I benefited from some sales around this region during on Monday, and then yesterday we saw price make these rejections one more time to this region and hit the bull side. So going forward, there are two things on my mind. Let's go into the styles. You could see price has come back to a very critical region and it has rejected that critical region of 114.82. Going forward, there are two things. We might continue to the downside. See what I'm looking at. We have this, and this. Do you get it? So basically this might just be like a huge, to the smaller time frame. If we go into the 4 hours time frame, we might just see this as a big M, and then we might continue to the downside going forward. I'll see you guys basically but if price breaks through this region, don't put that off. If price breaks through 1482, targets 1770, 1760 regions. All right, so basically there are two biases, but for now I'm strongly bearish. This rally was off based on the new prime minister of London, so we'll be seeing price continue from these regions down. All right, going from the Asian session down to the London session, I'll be looking for a good opportunities to basically go in for sales. All right, so we're going for sales. So I'll see you guys on Friday and let's see how price will play out. Ciao. Hello guys and welcome to weekly tracking here on Pound USD. It's Friday and basically, like we anticipated on Monday, I was anticipating price to actually reject from this regions of 1.1480. I anticipated a continuation to the downside, and yeah, basically it didn't play out. We had a break of price above this structure, and we probably might have a continuation to the upside going forward. But at the same time, I have two bias. If price can break down below this region of support it created, then we'll retest it and we'll short to price to come back to this liquidity pool of 1480, 1489. Otherwise we might reject this region and then continue to the bull side. I'll see you guys basically on Monday and let's see how price will play out of pound USD. Ciao.